Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to Indian Coin View, your favorite channel in which we discuss a lot about coins and currencies around the world. So guys, if you are looking in YouTube or anywhere in the social media in India, this coin that is in my hand is one of the coin that is discussed a lot about its price. Because if you are checking in the YouTube itself, there is a lot of videos which says that this coin will be selling for 3 lakhs rupees. I even have got an offer from a lot of people to buy this coin. This is costing around 30 lakh rupees, but since it's me, they will sell it for 25 lakhs or 20 lakhs of rupees, because they are not looking the exact details of it and they don't know what is the cost of coins in India. And apart from this, there are a lot of people who don't know how to value their coin or what is the market value of the coin, because it's not common that everyone into numismatics is about the details, history, design of the coin. Most of them are into the price and the money that they can make through the coin collection. So in today's video, let's explore into this particular book by Sainath Reddappa. This is not an updated version. This book not has been updated this year, but this is an older version. So in this video, I'm going to show the insides of this particular book, that is the Indian coinage, British India, Portuguese India and Republic India, with market estimates. So there are a lot of videos that is done before, but for the sake of people who are watching my channel, I am just introducing this book because I want to give you correct information related to the coins and coin pricing. So let's dig into the video. So as I said, this particular book is an interesting book that is issued by Sainath Reddappa. So this book is actually giving the details of the coins and everything, and in the back you can see the details of Mr. Sainath Reddappa. So he is an interesting guy. He has a degree in information technology, but he is a very good numismatics and non-numismatics in India. A lot of people in India they have a passion for the numismatics, even though their profession is different. So if you are looking into insides of this particular book, you can see the details of the coin and the pricing by mint wise, year wise, and the kind of coin, the rarity of the coin is given. For example, let's see this Aluminium Fisheries FAO series of 1983. So S is written here. So S basically means that this particular coin is in a scarce category, which means that it's there in the market but not that much compared to other coins which are commonly seen in circulation. So this is an example of showing that this coin is going out of the market, or the collectors are collecting more of this coin and hence the availability of this coin is getting reduced, so you may collect and keep it. So apart from that, the value of this particular coin according to each grade, like fine, very fine, extra fine, uncirculated, everything is given in this particular book in relation to the coin pricing. Now, as I said, this is a 2019-2020 edition. In 2020, as we know, that Corona happened and a lot of market was closed. So even in that situation, I can say that not more than 50% of this price will be increased. Like for example, let's say that this one particular coin will be costing 20 rupees. So the 50% of that is 30 rupees. So the maximum there can be an increase of the common coin category will be 30 rupees, unless there is an extreme shortage of that coin happening in the market, which I am not aware about. If you are aware about such kind of extreme shortage of coins, any kind of coin, commemorative coins or common coins happening in the market, please comment below this video so that everyone who is watching this video will be benefited from that. So every coin that is issued by the Republic of India is given in this particular book till 2019. The update, I hope he will come up with an updated version so that the collectors in India will be benefited from that. And you can see even the crop science coin is costing around 7,000 rupees. So the rarity of the coin, the availability of the coin, the exact detail of the coin, the amount of minting, everything can be seen from this book. Apart from that, the British India coins and the princely state coins, their details are also given in this particular book. So you can actually look into the book can, like, if you have a good collection, you can like estimate what is the value of your collection and where to sell it and everything. So instead of like watching random videos by random fake people, dig into books like this or blogs which are giving like interesting facts, not just value but facts and the amount of mending, everything that. So that kind of blogs will help you to like evaluate your coin collection and everything. So apart from that, this coin is also giving history about the minting of coins and how to clean coin. A lot of details is given, the British India rulers and everything is given. Also the details of the proof set is also given. So this particular coin that we mentioned, the Vaishno Devi coin, as you can see here, that particular Vaishno Devi coin, I'll just bring a little bit close so that you can like see properly. So that particular coin is not costing more than 15 rupees in UNC condition. So this coin is been like told by a lot of fake videos that it's costing more than 3 lakh rupees. Please don't believe that and like go to a random person or offer to a random collector saying that this is costing like 3 lakh rupees and everything. It's a fake information that is fed to you so that their videos will be getting a view and everything. Instead of that, check with the dealers in the market or look into books like this so that you can get correct information about the coins and everything. Now, even if I said that this coin is like costing only like around 15 rupees, now since the market has been shut for a long time, as I said before, the price may be increasing to around like 50%. So 30 rupees in the greatest condition, I may say that that's the maximum, that's the like maximum amount of money that can be given for a 5 rupee coin, like this 5 rupee coin that we were like discussing in the beginning of this particular video. So as I said, like that's a UNC normal in circulation, but you have to understand that if the coin is in like a proof set, as you are seeing in front of you, the price may be like changing a little bit because the proof set are like coming for the purpose of collection only, not for like anything else. So the price, if it is in the proof set, it can go like beyond what you are like expecting. So because they are coming with a like standard packaging, and B, they are not like coming in circulation, so the quality of the coin will be like very great, and proof printing is also in a different way. So in that case the price may be different. For example, this particular Vaishno Devi coin, you can see here that issued price of the Vaishno Devi coin was around 4,518 rupees, and the market price as of this book is 5,000. So this may go up to 6,000 maximum in current market because the proof set are very valuable. So that's how you have to value your coin, rather than looking into fake videos or like asking fake sellers or like random sellers by saying that you have to value this coin in this way. So I hope my introduction to this book will be beneficial for collectors all around India. So I bought this from Amazon recently, but I don't know whether it's available in Amazon again. So wait for some time, because an update of this book may be coming soon, and if it's not coming soon, there is I will be discussing about the values of the coins based on this book only, so you may get an idea about that. So thanks for watching my video. I hope I will be able to give you another informative video in the next session. Till then, bye bye.